Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Long time no see. If you're new here, my name is Stephanie. I am known as Opinionated Horsewoman. Today, you guys, I got just very minimal. I have a whole bunch of stuff that is shipping and it just not arrived this week. I have a feeling I'll be going to the post office and like carrying out bucket loads of stuff because everything is delayed for whatever reason. I don't know. But I did get one item at the post office, and then I did make a trip to the Dollar Tree and Dollar General. So I thought I'd share with you guys the few things I picked up. So if you want to stick around, let's get into Scentbox. All right, my Scentbox for this month has arrived. And you guys, this is a wonderful, wonderful fragrance subscription. You go in for about $15 a month, $16 a month. You go in, you select fragrances, you put them in your queue. Once a month, you get shipped fragrance. And I have put together several months in my queue, and then I try to forget what I chose, so I don't remember what is coming. So let's go ahead and see what I got. You guys know I've been really into the fragrances lately. It's been a lot of fun. They also send you a little card that tells you what your men's fragrance of the month is and their women's fragrance of the month. So this is how it comes. You do get a cuter, prettier box the first time you get it for your first month. And then after that, this is how they come. So let's go ahead and take a look at what the scent of the month is for the men and the women. All right, for the women, it is Park Royale Mousse Parfums. And it says it is a gourmand and fruity Park Royale foregrounds, notes of wild berries, subtle florals, while base notes of tonka, bean, vanilla caramel, and amber provide the fragrance with its sensuality. So berries, gardenia, vanilla, and amber are the notes. That is their women's scent of the month. For the men, the scent of the month is Raw Energy, Mr. Black. Raw, electrifying, energizing. Raw Energy opens with the energizing aroma of yuzu and citrus notes, tempered with calming lavender and the subtle sweetness of pineapple. Base notes of rare patchouli and masculine suede. Wow, that is a very interesting sounding fragrance for men. All right, so those are their scents of the month. Now, this is my little packing list. It tells me what I got. I'm not going to look at it. Well, actually, I should, because, you guys, I have been sent something. A couple months ago, I sent a fragrance that was not in my queue, and it was not was on the packing list. So, ooh, this is cool. This is what it looks like this month. So, half purple, half black. That's cool. So, you just dial up your fragrance, and there it is. And it comes, and this is it. You get 0.27 ounces, which is enough for 30 days if you use like 3 sprays, 4 sprays a day. I got Encanto. Ooh. See if it says anything. The scent is Encanto by Salvatore Ferragamo. It is an eau de parfum spray. So the nice thing about this particular fragrance subscription is if you try this couple sprays and you're like, I don't like this at all, you can contact them through the website and you can exchange it for a different scent. Now, if you use a whole bunch of it, you can't do that, okay? So you literally get like 1 or 2 sprays to decide if you like it. So I am going to go ahead and grab, well, I actually don't have any fragrance on. Let's go ahead and spray it on me. Ooh. So far, I really like that. So how I have been finding fragrances is I look at the notes of the fragrances that I really like, and then I search on fragrances that have somewhat similar notes. So I like this a lot. It had really, really great reviews, so I will not be exchanging that. That's a great, great fragrance. Again, it is Encanto by Salvatore Ferragamo, and it is the eau de parfum. So yeah, pretty cool. Now I do like to remind you guys, I have like a referral code down below. I don't get any money for it. Here's what happens. If you choose to subscribe using my referral link, you get a month free, and I get a month free. Now, it's not your first month. It's going to be your second month. You need to actually go through and pay for a month. And when you do that and you subscribe for that, you pay and you get your first month, then your second month you will get free. So once that happens, then I also would get a free scent for a month. So you can choose not to do that. And if you choose not to do that, your first month is like discounted to about like $10, and then you're paying more, the $15 or $16 per month after that. Now, they have various levels of Their subscriptions, okay? They have 3 levels. This is like their base level. It's about, like I said, about $16. I'll put that down below in the description. And then they have like a mid-grade, and now they have recently put like an upper tier for like the really expensive perfumes they're offering. They also have where you can get 2 cents of the month at whatever level you want to choose. So they have a lot of options. So the idea of 2 cents is either you can get 2 for yourself, or maybe you get 1 for yourself and 1 for someone else in your household. So that's kind of a nice option. And I like it. It's a kind of try it before you buy it. And then, you know, they do sell the full bottles if you want through their site. So let me know what you guys think down below. Have you smelled this one? I like this a lot. I definitely like this a lot. This is one I'm quite happy with. So let's go ahead, you guys, and get into my Dollar Tree. And I got it. Sorry, guys. I didn't realize I had my sunglasses on here. I have been out and about all day. Today's Friday, I took the day off. I had our veterinarian here to do some maintenance work on the horses, and then I did a bunch of farm chores, and I went out and ran some errands, which you're going to see. We were supposed to get together with my brother and his wife and do his birthday dinner tonight, but various people in the family are not feeling well. We're postponing it, so some of this stuff is birthday related. So let's get into it, you guys. This is mainly items from the Dollar Tree. First thing I wanted to show you is I got him a little... a little happy birthday balloon on a stick, because, you know, why not? All right, and then I got snacks and all kinds of stuff. So, ooh, that's the snack pile. Let's leave the chocolate to the last. Let me see what we got in here. Okay, I got a receipt. All right, so I got some of their duct tape, and I needed to get it in white to do a repair on some white fencing. So very simple, $1.25, some white duct tape to make a tiny repair on some white fence. And then they do still have the fairy garden stuff, and I just find it really fun to put this out in my garden. So I picked up a couple little fairy garden items. This is one of the little fairy houses. There's that one. I think I picked up 3. There's this one, which is like a little mushroom fairy house. So that one's kind of fun. And then we have a third one here, which is kind of looks like a pumpkin top or some sort of melon top. So these are fun. It's just stuff to put out amongst the flowers and things to kind of make you think a little bit about the garden. Okay, and then speaking of gardening, this is like $1.25. So I got another one of these because honestly, I could use a couple of these around the house for all the little garden areas. And then, okay, you guys, I have a scissors thing. This is wonderful. I love these because they're so tiny. And I have one of these in my bathroom, and I wanted actually one of these for work because they work really well for getting into like, and just snipping little tiny things. And I have like really big scissors at work that sometimes do not work well for like if you have to cut a thread or something. So easy to pick that up in the crafting section. And then while I was there, I got me some glitter. Yeah, crafting glitter. And then I did get some cards, just a couple of cards. You guys, it's really great. Cards are so inexpensive at the Dollar Tree. Honestly, like, why go to Walmart and spend $4, $5, $6, $7 on a card when you can find really nice cards for either 2 for $1 or the most at their cards right now is $1. So that's a great deal. I got a birthday card. I got a Mother's Day card because Mother's Day is coming up. All right, and then I got some masks that they had in stock. They didn't not have a whole lot of these masks. These, you guys know how much I love these. Those are the hand masks. And then they were running out of these, but I did pick up 2 more of the hyaluronic acid bubble masks. These are really, I like how my skin feels after using those. So I got that. And then I did go, you guys, the Dollar Tree doesn't have these, but the Dollar General does. And it's one town over. I kind of drove all over today, but I wanted to get a couple items. I got a couple of like I got an Amazon card, a couple Amazon gift cards for upcoming birthdays and a Google Play card. So I got those. And that is the first bag. Then y'all, I went into the snack aisle. So this is going to be a lot of like chocolate and cookies and things. So there's, y'all know I only brought one of these in, but I do buy these for my horses. They love the frosted oatmeal or iced oatmeal. So I got a couple of those for the horses. Then I got a couple bags of Stork chocolate raisins. little for myself, a little for gifting for birthdays and things that are coming up. I did get a couple of bags of the little Dove milk chocolate. I can't ever find the dark chocolate, but they had the milk, so I grabbed those. Again, a little for myself, a little for gifting. And then, see, there's another one. I did grab a single Godiva. Yes, I will be eating that this weekend. I grabbed these. I love these Skittles, and I like this is a great size. It's just a nice little snack pack. I really sometimes crave that like strong fruity taste. I grabbed a couple Haribos. Those are always fun. They're delicious. And then circling back, you guys, to the whole garden thing, they're starting to run out of their seeds, but they have these California poppy seeds, and they're 4 packets for $1. So I'm going to go out and I will sow these into somewhere in the, like the edge of the woods and see if we can get some California poppies to grow. So that's it, you guys. That is all I got. It wasn't meant to be a long time looking at stuff. I went up and down the aisles, but I was really pretty quick. There are some super, super cute spring, summer decor coming out right now. They've even got things that are like from Memorial Day that probably would also work kind of 4th of July theme, but they're aiming obviously for Memorial Day. They have a whole bunch of like summer themed, like cute decor that's kind of meant for like beachy themed. Oh, just some really fun stuff. And honestly, I was kind of pressed for time. I didn't have a chance to go through it. They had a lot of boxes that were coming in. I think a lot of it's still coming in. So the gardening stuff was getting pretty picked through. I don't know if they're going to be able to replenish that or if that's going to be it. You know, I think I've talked to a lot of the Dollar Tree employees, and they're like, we don't ever know what we're going to get. It just shows up on a truck and we put it out and sell it. So, you know, they don't know if they're going to get like more seed in or anything like that. So that stuff's starting to run out. They had some gardening gloves and things, but I don't know how long that's going to last. I will tell you guys that there was only like maybe 10 of these left. And the last time I went and picked up one of these, they had probably 100 of them. So I don't even know if these are going to be offered much longer. I don't know. So, all right, you guys, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you really enjoyed my Scentbox unboxing and my little tiny Dollar Tree haul. Yeah, and I hope you're having a great week. Sorry, I've been kind of absent, you guys, but there has not really been a whole lot to videotape. Or to record for you guys. It's been a lot of waiting for stuff. I got stuff coming. It's just, it's nowhere to be found yet. So, yeah, I hope you guys are having a great week, and looking forward to Mask Monday Ladies in a couple days here. So I will see you all on my next video. Bye, everybody.